Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging It channel. Today for this episode of Logging It, I will be showing you the process of how to add featured photo on Facebook. Now for that, first of all, tap open the Facebook application and get logged in into your account. Once you get logged in, you need to go to your profile section, tap on your profile icon, scroll down and tap on edit public details. Now if you scroll down in here, you will see the option of featured in here. You can see here you can add your photos, stories for your friends to see it. Now tap on try it. Now here you can add the pictures or the photos from your gallery. Now here you can upload a picture from your phone gallery or from your previous Facebook photos to add as a featured photo. I'm just gonna tap on these two pictures over here and tap on next. Now you can also edit the title for your featured photo. Now here I'm just gonna tap on featured. With that, now all you have to do is tap on save. You can see the collection of the featured photo is in saving process right now. And here you can see the featured photo is visible to you and it will be shown in your profile picture just like this. Hope this video was useful on how you can add featured photo on your Facebook account. Please like and subscribe the Logging It channel and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.